We're going to put on a melamine countertop at this time. Now, because the run is longer than 8 feet, what we've done in this particular installation is we've got a corner unit, corner countertop that we're going to install. This is 25.5 by 25.5, and that's the depth of our countertops. And so we're going to start with that in the corner. Of course, you're going to see some seams, and it takes a little to try to get those seams to match up from one to the other, and you may have to shim that with little pieces of edge tape or things that you may have on hand to make that look really nice when it's finished. So I'm going to go over and just grab this large countertop and carry it over and put it into position, being careful not to hit anything. And I'm just going to slide that into position. It's a little bit snug, and that's quite common because you may end up having to scribe the ends a little bit depending on the wall. And so we're just going to work that into position a little bit. Okay. And we'll go along and clean up all the glue and things that are on there. So I'm just going to go get the other countertop and carefully try to put that one into position. Once these countertops are all in position, then we'll screw from the bottom just to secure them into place. Like I said, if the wall is bowed a little bit, you can go along and scribe it. And if it's beyond the scope of this instructional DVD how to do that, but it's a good idea. You've got an installer that does have cabinet experience, cabinet installation experience. He'll be able to scribe that, and what we use is a power planer, getting close to the scribe line, and then that last little bit just using a belt sander just to take it down to the line, and that will take away any of the chips, because melamine of course chips very, very easily. So once these are in place, then it ends up with a very, very nice and very finished looking installation. Once that's all screwed in position, this installation is finished.